Back at my mom's place again. Just want to show you a little bit of an update of what's going on. I ran into some issues with the Oyas. The silicone I used to join the two pots was like a lower grade silicone, and it takes a really long time for it to dry, and so I didn't realize that when I read the package. Anyway, I cleaned them all up. I re-siliconed it with a decent silicone now, so now hopefully it'll actually work. I'm currently filling up this pot, as you can see here. Takes a little while for it to fill up entirely, but now we'll have the first pot filtering into the second pot, which then leaches into the soil in a way that doesn't overwater. And you can see there's all kinds of stuff going on. These are poppies. They'll be opening soon. This is dill, green leaf lettuce, lamb's quarters, etc. Because I had to take the cages down, I had to fix all the Oyas, I had to disturb all of the pea shoots, and so I've sort of strung them back up. Eventually they'll grab hold again with their little tendrils. As you can see, they'll grab hold. And anyway, they're coming along. Oops, let me focus in here for you. So yeah, I got lots of green leaf lettuces on the side, lamb's quarters, they're called wild spinach. This is cilantro, or coriander. The chipmunks ended up planting these because my mom gave them all kinds of sunflower seeds, and they planted them all kinds of places. So here's a whole bunch more. They're kind of too crowded together, but I let them grow anyway because that's what the chipmunk wanted. Here's some stinging nettle coming through. Here's some lamb's quarters, or sorry, wood sorrel. It's a nice lemony plant. It looks a lot like clover, but it's got these heart-shaped leaves. It's quite nice. Anyway, I won't take you on forever. Keep trying to refocus here for you. Lots of poppies in this one. This one's the arugula barrel. So it's got a few poppies here, but all the rest of it is all arugula, as you may be able to see. And it's got, it'd look a lot thicker if I wasn't harvesting it quite so much, but oops, try to focus in again. Anyway, you can see you get quite a bit of salad greens off in a small space. So here is the update. They're all on wheels. They're all on this patio I built. This last one doesn't have a double Oya. It's only got one broken single Oya. I may as well show you that before I added all these. Oh, see, this is overwatering just now. So I'm just going to transfer this over. Start watering up the next one. Anyway, so this is the Oya. This got a kind of a perfect break on the top because it kind of water collected and then froze and it cracked the whole seam. Anyway, you can see there's water here. I normally wouldn't leave it open to that. Like I've got these covers that will sit on top of that to stop any kind of mosquitoes or whatever trying to get in there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll take you over here for a minute. I ended up rescuing these cedar stumps, the emerald ash borer. Sorry, I say cedar, I meant ash. These ash borer is going after the ash in the neighborhood, and so they're chopping down these trees that have been around for my whole life. Anyway, so I run out to the curb and collect as much as I can, and I make these little seeding areas in the back, which I find quite nice, and the insects really enjoy, and so do the mushrooms and everything else. This is a new hugelkultur mound that I created, I think, last season. And there's all kinds of my mom's sort of canna lilies that she likes, and castor bean plants coming up. These are goji berries. We got sunflowers and poppies, and all the garlic scapes are coming up. Just to show you there. So they're coming through, which is nice. More cilantro, lots of duplicates in the garden, but anyway, this is a nice sort of semi-horseshoe shape. And we got tomatoes coming up, and strawberries, and arugula. Lots of asparagus, you may be able to see. These ones are asparagus. And I'll just show you my raspberry patch, which is also full of columbine. So these are all the transplanted raspberry. They came from the rhubarb patch, which is now just rhubarb and some garlic. And I'll leave it at that for now. So thanks for watching my video. And if you like this sort of thing, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks.